Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing safe, being at home as well. I know it's been like quite some time that we spoke to each other, but yeah, having said that, considering the lockdown is there, we are not able to talk to each other. So this is a video, I'm sure that you would have already read the title, that I've got a new AGV helmet. The reason why I wanted to change that helmet is particular because the one that I have here is the Axis helmet. This helmet is actually pretty good, but less than about 100 kilometers per hour. The moment I go about 100, I don't feel safe because this shell is completely polycarbonate, and that's one of the reasons I just changed it. So if you want to see unboxing of this video, you can see above in the I link. You can go just check out the video how exactly I unbox this as well. So this also has a pin lock which I've added some time back, which is about some 2,000 bucks or something. So AGV helmet. Why AGV helmet? Couple of reasons. One, I did check out HJC. I did look into Shoei. I didn't try it out, but it was on order, which I had to wait for it. Personally, if you ask me, I wanted to try the helmet and then decided. I went to the Dynasty store, which is in Bangalore, and then followed by I also went to one of the store in Bangalore where they had HJC helmets. So first I tried AGV. The comfort was really good. The pricing was slightly higher than expected, about anything starting from 50 plus, right? So there are basic helmets like K1, K2, K3 and all, but those helmets was more specifically for basic rides, and it didn't come up with a pin lock. So that's one of the reasons I didn't go, and the shell itself was like very shaky. Then I decided let me go check in HGC as well. So I went to HJC. I did check out one edition, Monster edition, something which was pretty famous. I think it's Crutchlow edition, which was completely neon, and I thought that it was going to suit my bike. But I did look into that helmet and I did try it out. So here the space is pretty good, but when you compare to the overall shell, the pressure points were slightly higher because the moment I wore it, I noticed it. A couple of reasons why I didn't go with that helmet is because one is the moment of an impact, the pressure points only will get more impacted, right? So that's one of the reasons I didn't go. Then I decided, I went back. There were two models that I was interested in. One is Unoni edition, which was a fair deal, about 75,000 or something, which is a Corsa, AGV Corsa. And the other one was a Jack Miller edition, which is Corsa R. So the difference between Corsa and Corsa R is very slight difference. Apart from that, let's say if any sort of space that you require, like the spoilers in between or the aerodynamic stuff, right? Finding those spare parts is pretty easy. But Corsa was something which the graphic was good, but I didn't feel that comfort. So then I decided to go with this Jack Miller edition, completely based on the GPRR shell itself. Based on that shell itself, that is pretty much done, and it's actually worth it. A couple of things which is pretty good about the shell is because it's called CAF shell, which ideally means it's a combination of carbon, aromatic, and fiberglass. So these are the combination that is actually made of. And a couple of things, it has a D-ring, it comes up with tear-offs. So guys, this is the box that it comes with, so you can actually see AGV branding across, and the box itself is very premium. Let me unbox it for you guys. So I'm just trying to open the box. The moment you open it, don't you realize something from seeing this thing? The MotoGP, the flag design. Alright, let's get inside. So there is the helmet itself. So even before I get into the helmet, I will definitely give you some idea about it. So this is the manuals that I get, a bunch of books, and it also has a couple of AGV stickers. And then you also have a pin lock, which ideally means to eliminate fog inside the shield here. That is a very, very good sign. And then you also have the helmet. The helmet is so beautiful. Look at the packaging, man. It's so premium quality. And then you also have something called as race tear-offs, which I'm gonna talk to you in a while. It has about 3, I guess. Yeah, it has 3 or 4. Yeah, this is the race tear-offs, and this is the complete box, and there's nothing inside this. So this is how the helmet would look like, guys. And let's go ahead and unbox it. So just see, the moment you see it, you can see aerodynamic stuff here. See, the nose is very sharp, and it flows through here, and then there's a spoiler. See, you can see that it's designed so well. All right, guys, here is the helmet. How is it? So some features about this helmet, let me talk with something which is really important. Everyone wants to know how exactly it looks. So this is how exactly the helmet looks. And to give you some specifications, see the aerodynamics, right? It is so sharp and everything here. And there is a lock. and AGV claims that this glass doesn't break, and it's pretty strong, trust me, and it's worth every penny. And see the build quality of this stuff here, the inner stuff. And I want to talk about a bit about vents, wherein a little bit of where exactly you can breathe. I'm not sure whether you're able to see this. So there's a vent here, opening here, and you can actually close it and open it from the below stuff here. So there's a attachment here where you can actually close it. You hear that sound and you can open it. There is one vent, and then followed by this comes with a pin lock. I had to install it because I didn't want to mess it up doing by myself. So I got it installed from the AGV store itself the moment I got the helmet. And here are some openings again. This is the aerodynamics again, and there you can have the air inflow, and here is the air inflow again. So ideally what exactly it means is the moment you open this, right, the air goes inside this and comes out of here, so which actually gives you that aerodynamic stuff. You can see the vent here. So when the air passes from above here, it actually comes out from here, and it doesn't going to disturb inside the shell as well. So time to see the best part of the helmet, which is the comfort. Just look at the quality, guys. See the cushioning, and it's so good. Yeah, and this is the D-ring that it comes with, and here is the lock. And it is so stiff that you're not able to pull the helmet once if you crash. One of the best thing that you can actually do if you crash, right, there is a pull rescue, which ideally means if at any sort of a crash, if you pull this up, the entire part of this helmet will come off, which ideally means the cushioning, so that you'll be able to access to the rider face very fast. I hope you like the helmet. So this is the helmet that I've got, again showing it to you guys again. So this is the closest look I can give you. And the best part about this helmet, right, the moment you wear it, you never feel that there's something on top of your head. It's super light, and you only feel this vision when you're actually riding, and this top of is something you feel that you're missing. So that's actually one of the good feature about this helmet. And of course, it's made in Italy. Italians are known for really great quality, build quality, and it's rock solid. Carbon frame, so my dream, carbon shell. And I was talking about the tear-offs, right? So these are the tear-offs that you get. So which ideally means you can actually get here like this. So what exactly the help of this is actually, when you're riding at high speeds, right, there is some mosquito stuff and then sort of insects that actually hit your screen. So when you're riding at really high speed, it actually is very common. So rather than wiping up the clean, what you can exactly do is you can just rip apart this from left or right side, whichever is comfortable for you. Usually start it from one angle, and the other angle you can just pull it off again. So there's some idea about this helmet, or what is the model, if you can ask me, I can give you some idea about it. So this is AGV Corsa R, as I said. And I'm going to look into the specifications because I'm not able to recall everything. This is Corsa R Miller 2018 edition, and this is one of the finest and flagship helmet that has been actually designed. And one of the things that I bought it is also because I wanted to try the Rossi graphics, but I didn't get into much of the graphics because comfort was the first thing which was important for me. So that's one of the reasons I took an extra effort in terms of about identifying it. So this is a large helmet, and my forehead size is about 59 centimeters. So that's why I got this helmet as well, and I'm loving it every single second. I'm super curious to go ahead and ride it because after the lockdown I didn't go and get it. Last week was my birthday, which was on July 9th. So then I actually got this helmet for myself as a birthday gift, if you want you to call it like that, but it was such a hell of a coincidence. So yeah, and big question, how much does it cost? So on Revzilla, if you actually go back and check it, it's about $1,000. So when I say $1,000, it's about 75,000 INR. And I bought it from Dineasy for a good deal. So I had some offer, which I don't want to disclose because it was a good deal that was given for me. And I got at a really good discount. And it is actually more cheaper than the price it is actually quoted in Revzilla or the AGV website or anywhere if you want to see it. And I'm loving each and every moment of this helmet, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna keep my safe wearing helmet. A lot of people actually in my group said that why are you spending so much on a helmet? the best I can give for my head is a good helmet. So I hope you like this video, which is the performance edition. It's going to start again. I've got some products and these products are something which I can install by myself. So it's pretty easy. Just keep watching and kindly keep me supportive, and these sorts of support like subscribing or liking and commenting will give me more motivation to bring in a lot of content as well. I hope you like this video. One last shot again. Here is the helmet. Yeah, I'm planning to put 18 here. Let's see. That's my lucky number, 9, but I'm going to put 18 here. Let's see if I can be able to find the right sort of stickering guide to do that. Chalo guys, I will definitely talk to you soon again. Once again, stay safe. Please, please, please be at home. Let's respect the government rules and at least bring in that change by an individual. I definitely talk to you soon. Again, signing off, Rakshit here, Ramagiri. Take care. Bye.